Hey, Power Talks family. Welcome back to What I Wish I Knew at 25, episode 4. I'm LaQuia, and we're continuing our emotional intelligence series today, talking about something that could literally change the trajectory of your life, your intuition. If you've ever had a gut feeling about something and ignored it, only to regret it later, this episode is going to hit different. I'm still in my 20s, in the military. I was working a part-time job by then with a prestigious company, great pay, impressive title. Everything looked perfect on paper. Something about the team just felt right when I interviewed. Everyone told me to take the job. Don't be stupid, LaQuia. Take the money. Take the prestige. But every time I thought about accepting the offer, I felt this heaviness in my chest. This quiet voice saying, something's not right here. I ignored that feeling. I took the logical choice. Within 3 months, I realized my intuition was trying to warn me. The culture was toxic. The promises they made were empty. And I was miserable. Meanwhile, my clock was counting down on the military. I had a choice to make. That's when I learned that my intuition wasn't just random feelings. It was my subconscious, processing information my logical mind had not caught yet. Your intuition is your superpower, especially when you're navigating life with limited resources. It's your internal GPS system that's constantly scanning for opportunities, threats, and alignment with your values. For young mothers making tough decisions every day, which job to take, which relationship to invest in, which opportunities to pursue, your intuition is processing data your conscious mind might miss. It's noticing body language, energy shifts, inconsistencies between words and actions. But here's what happens when you're in survival mode. You start second guessing that inner voice because you think you can't afford to be picky or emotional. You override your intuition because you need the job, the relationship, the opportunity, even when something feels off. The truth is, you can't afford not to listen to your intuition. When resources are limited, making the wrong choice costs you more than someone with a safety net. Here's the body scan technique for accessing your intuitive wisdom. Step 1, get still. Take 3 deep breaths and tune into your body. Step 2, ask the question. Present the decision to your intuition clearly. Step 3, scan your body. Yes, your body. Notice physical sensations, tightness, lightness, expansion, contraction. Those feelings are real. Step 4, interpret the signals. Expansion and lightness or ease, it's usually a yes. The contraction, the heaviness, the tension usually proceed with caution. And then step 5, honor the information. Do not dismiss what you are sensing. Practice this with small decisions first. Which route to take home? Which person to trust with your story? Which opportunity feels aligned with your values? Build that intuitive muscle so it's nice and strong when you need it for bigger choices. Here's my question for you. What's one time you ignored your gut feeling and regretted it? Share your story in the comments. Let's learn from each other's experiences. If you're ready to start trusting your intuition and using it to make better decisions for your life and your family? Visit us, www.powertalks559.com, to book a consultation. Let's work together to strengthen that inner voice that's trying to guide you to a better life. Subscribe if you're ready to stop second-guessing yourself. Hit the like and share this video. And then come back next week where we're talking how to read the room when you're the only one like you. Until then, remember, you already know more than you think you do.